Let's talk about what to expect at the Build Wealth with Real Estate Conference on August 19 at the AC Hotel. Look here, we are bringing in the experts. We have the builders, the developers, the lawyers, the real estate appraisers, the banks, the transaction persons, the private investors, the strategizers, the mindset persons, the financiers, the accountants, the bookkeepers. Everybody's coming to teach you the exact step-by-step strategies of building wealth with real estate. I am excited about it because we are making sure that you learn and you implement. The key thing with this conference is that you are going to leave much smarter than you came. You are going to learn so much, but at the same time, I'm going to ensure that you are inspired to take action. Because it doesn't make no sense you come and capture all of the knowledge and you don't go and implement it. So at the Build Wealth with Real Estate Conference, you are going to make a meaningful financial relationship. You're going to get your personalized questions answered. You are going to get the exact strategies for you to build wealth with real estate. So I'm excited to see you all there. I can't wait. 1 week away, a few short sleeps, and then we are together in person, learning and earning and building wealth with real estate.